Hey you guys, welcome back to Linda's Eating Show. Today we are having mussels. I got some lemons here and I got some garlic toast here. The Texas garlic toast. I don't have it that crispy. I want to soak it in, whatever, soak up the juice in this sauce right here. You guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys like my videos. Make sure you share it. Leave a comment. Look at that first bite. Let's get some soupy stuff in here. The sauce. I have red wine. No, not red wine. I have white wine. I have garlic. I have butter. Lots of butter. Oh, that's good. Back in business here. Let's have a bite of this toast. Soak it in. Ooh, look at all that juice, guys. Ooh, have a bite, guys. Have a bite. I hate eating this part right here. The husk, I believe. That's what it's called. No, the beard. It's called the beard. It's really tough. I hear my baby waking up. Her bells. I hear her bells. Ooh. It's empty. It's very messy. I need to scoot some of these over. Thank you. There, guys, you guys can see now. You guys, I can't believe my burping video, the compilation video, has like, what was it, like 1,600 views already. The wine in here is so good. Oh, shoot. This one's closed. I'm not gonna eat that one. That's good. I've been seeing on YouTube people just eating this whole thing like that. Well, a few, and then other people they're peeling it like an orange. Maybe I should try it. Bite it like an apple. Shut it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Did you wash it?
No first reaction.
So,
Very bitter. Took a bite out of it. You wanna try it? Here.
can I have a mussel?
Yeah.
Can I have the closed one?
It's bad, Angelo. Here, have this one.
Oh my god. He said it has white wine in
Here,
it.
here. Oh, my baby's waking up. I hear her. How's that?
Man, that was so good.
Have some more.
Have to eat it all?
Got you some?
Thanks.
You can have this bread. Guys, this is gonna be a quick video. Don't touch this. A little bit of lemon juice on it?
If I don't like it, I'll give it to one of you guys.
No, I don't want to eat it if you're
I'm just gonna take a little bite.
finish my video.
Oh my gosh.
I'll save you some, okay?
Okay. Is this a tiny?
No, Maya, just eat it.
Is it?
Oh my god.
What was their mother?
Oh my god, I could drink this. It's like soup. Delicious soup.
Are you gonna eat it all?
No? You want some?
Yeah.
You like it? Okay.
Listen to.
You guys, I just made a TikTok. I forgot the name, but I'll put it down in right here somewhere.
Why did you follow me?
Hmm?
Why didn't you follow me?
I already did. Yeah. Excuse me. Wow, wow, wow. This is yummy. Guys, I'm gonna save some for my kids because they want some. It's hard when I'm home and I film, especially when the kids are home from school. Quick little video. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Oh, excuse me. See, now my baby's crying. Oh, excuse me. She's in there with her dad. She's fine. I just gotta be quiet now because she hears me out here. I need to hurry up. I need to hurry up. Save this for the kids. That's good for them, right? Or maybe I have a little bit more. Maybe just one more. Okay, one more bite, and then I'm gonna go and tend to my babies. That's delicious. Finger looking good. Alright, you guys, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like the video, make sure you guys leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.